Two fights break out at Misfits 002 press conference between Tom Jannetty and Jaden King. KSI said, "How is this event free?" KSI honors boxing legend Luis Pineda in latest press conference.
Domination in X Series #1. Now you put the promoter's hat on.
Yeah.
And
I
or the
put the glasses on.
Yeah, exactly.
Obviously, shout out to Pineda. This is in his honor. But yeah, no, it's. I thought I have a different look.
Yeah.
For the promotion side of things. But yeah, I'm excited for Misfits version 2.
KSI got into a car crash today. Glad he's okay.
Well, I had sparring this morning.
Did you?
Yeah.
You do
and then guess what? I was in a car crash.
Car crash,
I
sparring,
had
and
sparring, car crash, and then this. Well, I had sparring.
As I told you in yesterday's video, that Prime will be available in India, Australia, UAE and South Africa next year. So to be excited for it. French YouTuber Squeezy spent 4 million euros on Twitch event. The biggest YouTuber in France, Squeezy spent around 4 million euros on his latest GP event, which ended up breaking the Twitch record as the most streamed event till date, with over 1 million people watching it live. Ashley Raksu by press conference. I have got dreadlocks done from Watford, but I am the closest thing you are getting to KSI.
I'm gonna knock you out. Why you dodging the question? And after I get you, I'm gonna fight KSI in January. Facts. Everything I do, y'all can laugh. Everything I do, I manifest. Every fucking thing I do.
I've told you, I've got dreadlocks and I'm from Watford, but I'm the closest thing you're getting to KSI. that is it.
Deji with Jeff Mayweather ahead of his fight with Floyd, Jeff's nephew. Security guard goes viral after Jay vs. Sherdle's press conference.
Further, one more team member gets involved, I will clear this hall and you will all go out. This is between the fighters, not you lot. Okay? End of story. This goes any further.
Jay Swingler down for a fight with Deji next. Fighting Deji next would be a great fight. I will fight anyone. Alex Wasabi releases poll for future opponents. Jaden King pulls out of fight with Tom Jannetty on Misfits 003. World's greatest boxer and Floyd Mayweather Jr. Deji Mayweather first meeting and face-off.
All right, guys, and now a face-off, please. Once again, the Global Titans Fight Series returns November 13th, live from the Coca-Cola Arena, Dubai, UAE. Deji, Olatunji, TBE, Floyd, Money Make. Fighters, please, in front for a photo op.
MrBeast X Sidemen collab dropping this Sunday. Two words collide this Sunday. There we go. Speed just got to a car accident.
Calm down. I'm bleeding, bro. I'm bleeding, dog. My mama, I'm bleeding, bro. I swear to God, I'm bleeding, bro. Look, bro, I'm bleeding. I swear to God, I'm bleeding, bro. I'm fucking bleeding, bro. I just got into a car accident, bro. I gotta call the police, bro. I just got into a car accident, bro. I just got into a car accident, bro.
Mayweather vs Deji, the first face-off. Who will win? Be honest. Comment down. Now today I'm gonna ask you to please share this video with your favorite friends who like to watch this all YouTubers and creators. Thanks for watching.